What? Did you have something to ask me? Just send me a message. Don't you want, you want to know, right? That's why you're like, come on. That's what you want. Come on. Isn't that what you want to know? Ask me. Come on. Okay, just sit there and watch me cook then. Because what I'm cooking is good. Oh. Oh yeah, this is good too. It's not about me though. It's about what's happening. What's going on? I'm in commercial collections. I just make it easy for other companies just to pay unpaid invoices to companies that, you know, should have paid them. Should have paid them. But it's cool. Got to sometime. Because everybody just gets what's owed to them. Now. Big time, right? So just go back. Look at what people owe you. And just give me a call. That's all you gotta make work. Okay, so like, how about this? Don't even give me a call. Do you know where my email is? Okay, I'll give you my email. Okay? Send me a message. I'll send you my email. And then you can send me all your unpaid invoices. And then I'll go ahead and collect it for you. I'll have my whole team, the whole company. I'll have my team just go for it. Immediately. Same day. How about that? We'll just start calling the same day. We'll do what we can, you know? If it's not today, we'll call them immediately. I'll just say that. And if we have to be a little bit more diplomatic, we can do that. We can do that. But if you're just waiting for me to do something and you haven't sent me an invoice to collect on it, I don't even know what you're doing right now. I mean, this is good, right? Some lamb. Yeah, I'll throw in some. Pork. I had pork in here before I put my lamb inside. My water's almost there. But if you have some judgments, you can send me judgments, but we want liens. Give me some liens. Are you in a state to where liens can happen? Give me your liens with all the contracts. Signed agreements. And then we'll go after it for you. We'll collect it. It's not hard to understand, right? I don't think I'm going to do the whole thing today. You like pasta? You like fettuccine? I do. But today I'm doing spaghetti. It's just the deal. So what do you want to understand? You have a company that owes you money, right? That's all. Send me a message. I'll give you my email. You send me whatever documentation that you have. If you don't have whatever document, just send me the information and whatever proof you have that they owe it. Because, I mean, come on. You gotta have proof that they owe it to you. People nowadays, yes, we can collect it on a handshake, on an agreement, but come on, give me the contract. And then that's it. We collect it, we pay you, or we have them just pay you directly. Doesn't matter, as long as they pay, huh? Yes, we get paid for our stuff, but we just split it with you after it's collected. Contingency style. Use whatever tools you got, huh? I use a knife as a spoon. Do what you gotta do. I'll do whatever I have to do to collect it for you, you know what I mean? My company's a good company. I'm a good person. So, the right thing is the right thing is the right thing. A judgment is really good. Traceability. Really, it can be really good at finding people sometimes. Resources, huh? We're pretty good at tracing people. Finding assets and stuff sometimes, you know? Have we frozen bank accounts? Yeah. Sure. Send it to me. We don't even have to talk.